there guys, and welcome to Test the Tech. I'm James, and today we'll be opening the DJI Ronin-SC. So it's a camera stabilizer. Here it's the Pro Combo Pack, so it includes a focus wheel. So we'll just get this open and have a look. So it comes packed in a nice, robust looking box, kind of a, like a soft feel. It's like I think it's polystyrene, with a cardboard photo exterior. Got a little handle on top, so you can reclose this and transport it in it. And there's the back, so it shows just the product. So let's get this open. Go. So it comes. So yeah, like I said, looks like we can open and close this box. There we have it. So we have the product itself in the box. It's got our manual here, as usual, evening reading I like to call it. Some more aside. We have the battery pack. It's very well packed in here. Obviously you can reuse the case. Got the phone holder here. We have the foot. So this it's basically you can put the gimbal onto the foot, directly onto the foot. So you place it down on a surface, and you can screw the gimbal, the bottom of it, onto the foot. There we go. We also have, what else do we have in here? Got this. I think this is to do with the focus wheel. The focus wheel itself. This is the lens support. We've got the balancing tray. So this is smaller than the balancing tray on the Ronin-S. So it's bigger brother. It's much lighter, and what's good is that it comes with a stopper here, so you can just slide it into place, and then it will block where you've stabilized your camera at. So that's really very useful. What else do we have? Some yummy do not eat gel packs, silica gel, and another one. Some screws, screw kit with some Allen keys. Then we've got the gimbal itself. It's difficult to come out, there we go. So this is locked into place with little locks here, as you can see. And then we've got our focus controller here. That's already on the. You obviously can take this off. It's already on the gimbal at the moment. It says it's the SC pack. Then we've got our mode button and our joystick, and our record button just here. And then obviously this comes, and you either insert it directly onto the bottom of the gimbal here, like that. So that's the gimbal itself. Otherwise, in this version we have so this is the grip for the focus wheel. So you put this directly onto the focus controller on your camera, on your lens. And we've got focus wheel, and then we've got the USB cable to connect to the to the camera. Another USB cable, USB-C. More cables here. So this is to connect to the camera, I suppose. Again, yeah, USB-C again. Some more USB-C. There we go. So that's it. That's everything in the box. Oh no, we have. Oh yes. So this is to heighten the camera up off the support. So if you have a long lens, you can heighten it, and then you're able to spin your focus wheel without it getting stuck on the lens support holder here. So there we have it. Let's have a closer look at the gimbal. So like I said, this slips straight on to the gimbal. And to open the lock mechanism here, straight on, lock it in place, like that. And there you have it. There is basically your gimbal itself. Then you screw this onto the bottom of it. So you can have it like an extended version of it, but this also allows you to put it down on the table, for example. So that's very useful for when you're balancing it, balancing your camera on this. So that will be all now for now, guys. I'll be doing a test, obviously, of this in an upcoming video. So don't hesitate to subscribe and like the video if it's useful and if you like this, and stay tuned for the test. Thanks.